Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove the headliner on Audi A3 1996 to 2003. The procedure for removing the headliner is similar to most Audis. That's the headliner. First we need to remove the sun visor, the hand grip, the housing with the lights, the other sun visor, hand grip, the covers on the front, the side covers that where the seat belt is, and there is a light on the back as well, and the rear covers as well. First we start with the sun visor. Next, to remove the light housing, there is two plastics that we have to remove, and then there is two screws that are holding the whole housing. Next we remove the isolation, and afterwards we remove the front cover on one side and then on the other side. This cover is held by a few clips, so you need to put your fingers underneath the cover and just pull it out, and that's it. That cover is also held by a few clips, so you just pull it out. This cover is the same, it's held by a few clips, so you just pull it out enough to remove the headliner. So this light is the last thing that we have to remove. After we remove that, we just take out the headliner. We take it out through the baggage compartment. It's pretty straightforward. Thank you for watching the video. If the video was helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.